Let's do some more practice with time. Our first paragraph reads, Mary Beth is volunteering for the Red Cross. She needs to be at work at 11 a.m. Show this time on the clock. And you guys know from our other practice, the small hand would point to the 11. Very good. Let's try another. Mary Beth is picking up supplies for the Red Cross. She needs to pick the supplies up at 1:30 p.m. Show this time on the clock. You know we'd be in the 1 o'clock hour, and the big hand pointing at the 6 is 1:30 p.m. At 8 p.m., Mary Beth helps load a truck with the supplies. Show this time on the clock. So this, our small hand will point to the 8. Big hand points at the 12 for 8 p.m. And in this one, Randy is volunteering for the Red Cross. He starts by folding blankets. So now we're going to write the time that we see. And very good. Small hand pointing at the 9 would be 9 o'clock. Excellent. Randy cleans the coffee station. And he cleans the coffee station at, very good. Small hand pointing at the 10 would be 10 o'clock. Randy stops to eat lunch. Randy stops to eat lunch at what time? Small hand points between the 11 and 12. That's the 11 o'clock hour. Pointing at the 6 is 11:30. Very good. In this one, Brent is looking at the bus schedule. A bus to the Red Cross leaves at 7:30 a.m. So you knew we'd be in the 7 o'clock hour. And we know that a.m. is morning, right? Before lunch. Brent is looking at the bus schedule. A bus to go to lunch leaves at 11:30 a.m. So very good. Small hand would be in the 11 o'clock hour. And that's before lunch, so it would still be morning. Brent is looking at the bus schedule. A bus home from the Red Cross leaves at 4 p.m. So very good. Our small hand would be pointed at the 4. And p.m. will be 4 in the afternoon. Nice work on time today.